Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. What is the primary role of the Indian Army's White Knight Corps? A. Guarding India's eastern coastline. B. Conducting naval operations in the Arabian Sea. C. Safeguarding the line of control, LOC, in Jammu and conducting counterinsurgency operations. D. Managing India's missile defense systems. Answer: C. The White Knight Corps is a prominent formation of the Indian Army, officially designated as 16 Corps. Established on 1 June 1972, it is headquartered at Nagrota Cantonment in Jammu and Kashmir, under the Northern Command. The primary mission of the White Knight Corps is to safeguard the line of control, LOC, in the Jammu region, extending from Akhnoor to Poonch. Additionally, it oversees counterinsurgency operations and maintains peace and stability in the region. The Corps is renowned for its operational excellence and has a distinguished history of valor in various military operations. With reference to Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, consider the following statements. 1. Thalassemia is one of the 21 disabilities recognized under the Act. 2. It empowers both state and central government to notify any other category of specified disability. 3. India ratified the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, UNCRPD, in 2016. How many of the above statements are incorrect? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer: C. The Act recognizes 21 types of disabilities as compared to 7 types under the previous law. These are blindness, low vision, leprosy-cured persons, hearing impairment, deaf and hard of hearing, locomotor disability, dwarfism, intellectual disability, mental illness, autism spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, chronic neurological conditions, specific learning disabilities, multiple sclerosis, speech and language disability, thalassemia, hemophilia, sickle cell disease, multiple disabilities including deaf-blindness, acid attack victim, and Parkinson's disease. It empowers the central government to notify any other category of specified disability. The Act was passed by the Parliament of India to give effect to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, UNCRPD, which India ratified in 2007. Therefore, all the 3 statements are incorrect.